In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new Gmail account. So if you already have a Gmail account, log into your current account and go to your profile image in the upper right-hand corner and just click or tap into it. Once you're here, you'll see your other accounts here if you have other accounts, and then you'll see something that says add another account. Go ahead and click into that option there. You should see an option to log into your different accounts, and then the one you want to choose is use another account. Once you're here, instead of signing in, we want to click the create account button, and then you choose whether it's for personal use, for your child, or for work or business. Go ahead and choose the one that is applicable to you, and then start the process. Type in your first and last name, hit next, go ahead and enter your birth date and gender, and then go ahead and create the actual email address. You can choose a pre-made one that Google makes or auto-populates for you, or you can click the create your own Gmail address, and then go ahead and type in the one that you want to use, and once you're done, go ahead and click next. Once you've done that, go ahead and type in the password you want to use for this account, and then enter a phone number where you can get sent a code to verify this account. Go ahead and click next and type in the code that was sent to that phone, and then enter an email address that you can use as a recovery email in case you forgot the credentials for the one you're creating now. Once you're ready, it'll say review your account info. Go ahead and click on next. Go ahead and accept and agree to the terms and conditions here. Hit confirm, and you should be redirected to your brand new Gmail inbox as you see here. And that's it. That is how you create a brand new Gmail account. This will work on both mobile and on desktop. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.